the most versatile hair product ever created. And this is the packaging that it comes in. What makes this product so unique? Well, first of all, this is what it looks like. I just got these in, so they're now available for sale. The fragrance, now this is under my main TheSalonGuy brand. This is not under Crafted. This is all under me. So you know how I am with my fragrances. This smells so fresh and so clean and so sophisticated, but not overpowering. This is 3 products in one. That's why I'm calling this one clay. One clay to rule them all, okay? 3 products, maybe even more, in one. And I'm gonna break down and show you how you can utilize this one product to achieve a variety of different hairstyles. What types of products can this be used as? A pomade, a hair cream, and a medium to firm holding matte finish clay. All of that can be done in this one product. And I myself tested this and made sure it was absolutely perfect from the fragrance to the consistency, everything. And now it's officially here and ready for sale. So let's start breaking down this product. So first, we're gonna use this as a hair cream. So the way this is gonna work is we're gonna take a scoop out, just like that. And this is where the magic happens and what makes this so unique. So if you want to use this as a hair cream, meaning you may have longer hair, you want something a little more softer, something to tame your hair, nothing too strong, what you're going to do is you're going to take this and work it through your hands like so. Okay, you can see that the product is still in your hands, very creamy, and this is where you're going to run the product through your hair like this. And you can see it's applying very lightly because it's still a creamy consistency. All right, so this is gonna give you a fairly strong-ish type hold while, sorry, this is mannequin head, while also maintaining somewhat of a cream consistency. So this is for somebody who wants to have a lot of taming. You wanna have, I'd say, a good solid medium hold, a somewhat natural finish. You're going to utilize it just like that. We can almost still see the product in your hands, okay? Just like that. Work it through, and you don't want to go beyond, like I mentioned, beyond rubbing it through your hands more to where you can't see the product. That's when it transforms into something else. Okay, so now let's talk about using this as a pomade. So let's say you want to have this type of hairstyle, but you want a more lived-in type of, slick back look. You want something that's going to have a little more control. So once again, we're going to take a scoop of product out. And now what we're going to do is we're going to work it through our hands, but we're going to go one level further into where it's still seen, but not as creamy. Okay, just like that. So it's a light sheen on your hands. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go on the outer layer, the surface layer of the hair, and we're going to start to work this in like so. Okay, we're going to work this in while the product is still kind of creamy in the hands, but not as creamy as before. And now we're working this in, and it's creating that kind of slick type of pomade look. Okay, just make sure that when you work this in, you get the product all worked and emulsified into the hair. Okay, just like that. Let's spin it on this side here, so you can see this one. There it is. You can still see it in the hands slightly, but now I want to create more of a kind of lived in, more traditional pomade type of look. And that's where I'm literally utilizing the palm more to just kind of work this in like so. And for these types of hairstyles, this is what you want. You want more of a matted kind of closer to the hair look. And you can see it's kind of a matte finish pomade. And that's what's great about this. So it's not a traditional pomade as far as giving you a ton of shine, but this is more for taming down hair, not so creamy of a consistency as when I applied it as a cream. And you can see it's kind of taming down the hair nicely in a more slick back type of fashion. Now, let's see how we can use this as a matte clay. All right, so once again, nice little scoop. You don't need a whole bunch of this product. So this is where the magic happens. We're gonna work it into the hands, Now I'm breaking through that first phase of the creamy. Now I'm breaking through that second phase of the pomade type of consistency, and I'm really, really working this in. This is where a lot of you product enthusiasts are gonna go crazy. Yes, work it all the way in to where it's pretty much like that. And here is where the magic happens. This is the most reworkable, pliable, medium, almost firm holding, matte finish product. Within seconds, we're getting that look already. We're able to style this, we're able to rework it. It's giving you that instant texture. It's a completely matte finish. This, I hate to say this may be, that's why I call it the one product to replace almost everything. I could probably get rid of all my styling products, to be honest with you, and just have this. Look at that, within seconds, we've already created that traditional matte finish clay. And it's very reworkable. And yes, this has a pretty medium to firm hold, but what's so unique about it is that you can reshape it, and the longevity of this is insane. I mean, this may be, I don't even want to say this about my own other products, but honestly, this may be probably my best product aside from maybe, Tidal Wave and 25 spray and all that kind of stuff. Here is another type of hairstyle like this. Let's just say you're looking for something a bit more, on the spikier side. You want to have that texture. Once again, a little scoop like so. I'm going to work it through my hands, get it really worked in. And you can see the hair's falling down like this. Let's get this product in. And this is like more of traditional Asian hair, to be honest with you. And within, look at that, 2 scoops, 2 little movements like this, and the hair already has texture and movement, just like this. Bam, 1, 2, 3, it's done. And look at this. So this is more of the clay type property, the clay consistency I'm looking for. Not the creamy one, not the pomade type consistency. This is what you get when you really, really work that into the hands. This is gonna be phenomenal for fine hair, for thick hair, all hair types. It's got the kaolin clay, beeswax. This is, I mean, literally seconds. Look at this. Matte finish within seconds. You can go back in and rework it. It's pliable and responsive, extremely responsive. It's not gonna make your hair feel greasy. It's not gonna make your hair, sticky or tacky. This is a one-of-a-kind product. And ladies and gentlemen, and everybody who's watching this, this is why I call this one. The one clay to rule them all. I know it's kind of a, Lord of the Rings style, but I am so proud of this. I just got them in yesterday. It's officially on my store, shop.thesalonguy.com. You will not be disappointed in anything about this product. Oh my gosh. The fragrance is just, everything about this. I want this to become not only my best-selling product, but one of the best-selling products out there. I want this to be in stores. I want, barbershops to carry this, salons to carry this. You guys have purchased this. You won't be disappointed. And it's a 3.5 ounce, and it's $24. So I want to make this a very reasonable price product, premium price point, beyond premium product. The results are, like I said, 3 products in one, so you're getting a ton of value. You don't need a lot of this, and I'm really pumped about this. So shop.thesalonguy.com and use code YouTube20. I'm already giving you 20% off for this. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.